How to fix Apple developer unknown error. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, make sure you are connected to a proper working internet connection, and if not, then you can also switch between networks. That is, if you are using Wi-Fi, switch to cellular, and if you are using cellular, switch to Wi-Fi. Next, tap on General and then on Software Update and make sure your iPhone is updated to its latest version, and if not, then go ahead and update your device further. In general, again, tap on VPN and device management and make sure your iPhone is not connected to any type of VPN service, and if it is, then go ahead and disconnect the VPN. In general, again, scroll down and tap on the transfer or reset iPhone option and then on reset and then on reset network settings. Enter your passcode and reset network settings. Doing this will reset all network settings and will return them to factory defaults, meaning all your Wi-Fi networks and passwords, APN and VPN settings, and cellular settings will be returned to factory defaults. And now, go back to settings and tap on the screen time option and then tap on content and privacy restrictions. Now, go ahead and disable the content and privacy restrictions toggle button, and now tap on General again and then navigate to the Apple Developer app and further offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will clear the cache in the application. And if you are using Apple Developer in Safari, then in Settings again, scroll down and tap on Apps and then on Safari. Now go ahead and scroll down and tap on the Clear All History and Website Data option, and then on Clear History and by now, Apple Developer unknown error should have been fixed. So this is how you can fix Apple Developer unknown error. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.